The dining table is the heart of the home, where families and friends come together to share meals, conversations, and creating long-lasting memories. In modern interior design, the dining table has become more than just a functional piece of furniture. It is a statement of lifestyle, elegancy, and functionality. With an array of innovative designs, materials, and styles available, modern dining tables have the power to transform any dining space into sophisticated and innovative area. Hello dear viewers, welcome to this channel. Today we will explore a variety of modern dining table ideas that can elevate your dining space and make it a focal point for your home. Your subscription and comments encourage us to do more and more, so please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Modern dining tables have evolved far beyond their traditional role as utilitarian piece of furniture. They have become a symbol of style, innovative, and functionality. By exploring diverse design concepts and incorporating them into your dining space, you can transform your home into a sophisticated and inviting environment for meals and moments with friends and families. Number 1. Silky and minimalist design. One of the defining characteristics of modern dining table is their silk and minimalist design. Clean lines, simple shapes, and understated elegancy are the hallmark of these tables. A popular trend in modern dining table design is the use of materials such as glass, metal, and wood with a clean finish. Glass dining tables in particular create a sense of openness and lightness in the dining area, making them a popular choice for smaller spaces. Number 2. Natural materials and texture. In recent years, there have been a resurgence of interest in natural materials and texture in the designing, and this trend has extended to modern dining tables. Tables made from reclaimed wood, live-edged slabs, or solid hardwood bring warmth and character to dining space. The natural varieties in wooden grain and texture add depth and visual appeal to the table, creating a welcoming and organic atmosphere to your dining space. In addition to wooden, other natural materials such as stone, marble, and concrete are also making and offer durability, timeless elegancy, and a touch of luxury for the dining space. Number 3. Versatility extension tables. For those who entertain frequently or have limited space, these tables feature innovative designs that allow them to expand or contract to accommodate variety number of guests. Some extension tables incorporate hidden leaves that can be easily pulled out when needed, while others utilize slides mechanism or fold panel to adjust the size of the tabletop. The beauty of the extension table lies in their ability to adapt to different situations without sacrificing style and functionality. Whether it's a family dinner or a gathering with friends, these tables provide a flexible to accommodate any number of guests while remaining a cohesive and stylish look. Number 4. Statement making shapes. Innovative shapes and form are another key feature of modern dining table. while traditional rectangular or round tables remain popular choice. Contemporary designers have been exploring unconventional shapes to create distinctive and eye-catching pieces. Oval, hexagonal, or even asymptomatical tabletops are becoming increasingly popular for those seeking to make a bold design statement in their dining space. Number 5. Mixing materials and finishes. Modern dining tables often showcase a mix of material and finishes to create visual, dynamic, and multidimensional pieces. Combining contrasting materials such as wood and metal or glass and stone can result in striking a combination that adds depth and character to the table. Number 6. Innovative functional features. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, modern dining tables often incorporate innovative functional features that enhance their usability and practicality. This feature is especially beneficial for smaller space, where maximizing storage is essential. Functional innovatives that allow for seamless expansion of the tabletop without the need of adding leaves or panels. Number 7. Customization and personalization. Many furniture manufacturers nowadays offer customers options that allow customers to tailor their dining tables to suit their specific preferences and requirements, from choosing the type of wood and finish to select the shape and the size of the tabletop. Customization empowers homeowners to create truly unique space that reflects their personal style. The ability to customize modern dining table ensures that they become more than just furniture. They become the expression of individual taste and lifestyle. In conclusion, modern dining table represents a fuse of form and function, craftsmanship and creativity. The embody of the essence of modern living by offering versatility, style, and practicality is equal measure. By embracing the latest trend and innovation in modern dining table idea, you can create a dining space that is not only aesthetically stunning but also conducive to meaningful connection and shared experience, truly elevating your home to new heights of sophistication and style. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed. Thank you.